وبركاته. إن الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على من لا نبي بعده. أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. لقد كان لكم في رسول الله أسوة حسنة. وقال النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم: إنما بعثت لأتمم مكارم الأخلاق. Oh my Lord, I start my lecture in your name. You created us in the world and all praise for you. We preach upon our dear Prophet, the best person in the world, Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and his family and all companies. After that, many thanks and congratulations for honorable chairman of this seminar and principal of this jamia, and respected guests, judges, teachers, and all the present students.